What it do, YouTube? It's MX. Sorry, bringing you back with another unboxing. This is actually a Supreme unboxing from week 18. I know it's kind of late, but I live all the way in Texas, so by the time everything came down, it was like barely like 2 days ago. But yeah, let's get into it. Get this. I actually don't even need these. Most of the stuff I actually got from restocks, so that's pretty cool. Let me show you what I got in this one. Oh, I got a pen. Oh yeah, this is also during the Buju Banton drop. I don't know if I'm saying that right, my bad. But yeah, we got the Buju Banton photo sticker right there. Here's the little pins. This is actually the greetings tee in a size small. If anyone's interested in copying this stuff, just let me know in the comments and I got you. What I really wanted this drop was actually the Dynamite tee, but I couldn't get it. I hope I got the sticker. We got another Buju Banton sticker. That there. This is weirdly packaged. This is not normal. But yeah, I got the It Gets Better Every Time tee, also in a size small. Most of the stuff I cop is a size small, so if there's anybody watching that's a size small, it should be good for you looking to cop something. Scissors. Had a bit of technical difficulties. This one actually might have been a personal. I know this one was kind of slept on. This is the cloud tee in a brown size small. I actually really like this one. I'd have to keep it for personal, to be honest. Put that right there. Let me see what stickers. And a greeting sticker with the It Gets Better Every Time sticker in the back. And here's the last thing. And this one was actually came packaged to me. Was opened. And obviously I opened it too, but it was already opened. Had to make sure everything was there before I did the video. Let's save the best for last. Here we got the Bella Lugosi tee, size small also. Right there. And the greeting sticker, another one. Here's the final item. Is the Moka Express. I really wanted to do a video with this, but not sure if I want to unds it. Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. I'll be doing more of these. For those of you, this is a message to all my future viewers, like just in case I ever blow up. What's up? Tell you guys reading like 5 years from now. I started out rough. Peace.